How to fix the due to local regulations, this content is restricted error on X on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get around the content restriction issue on X. First, open X on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Support, and then tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Privacy and Safety. From there, tap on Content You See. Make sure that sensitive content settings are enabled so you are not being unnecessarily restricted from viewing certain posts. Once done, go back and check if the restricted content error is still appearing. After that, tap on Your Account and then tap on Account Information. From there, check your country or region setting. If it is set to a region with stricter content regulations, try updating it to a different region. In the next step, go back to Android settings and tap on General Management. Tap on Language and Input and check that your region is not set to a country with heavy content restrictions. At this point, go back to Android settings and tap on Apps. Search for X and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Once completed, go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm. Reopen X and check if the restriction error is gone. Finally, if the issue is still there, open the Play Store, search for X and tap on Update if one is available. Then reopen X and check if the content is accessible now. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the content restricted error on X, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials,